Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to get started with some math problems today. Remember, the first time through, all you do is think about what the problem is asking. No tools in your hand, just thinking it through, looking and listening for language. But no tools until the second time, and then you can solve the problem. Okay? All right, let's get started. This first question is about Robert, okay? Just Robert. It says Robert earned 18 dojo points. You know, that's for like behavior. Do you have dojo points in your school too? Yeah. So Robert earned 18 dojo points. He had some trouble at recess and he lost some points. And now he only has 6. So he definitely lost some. So how many points did he lose? Let's think about this. He had 18. And now he only has 6. So how many points did he lose? We got to figure that out. Let's think about this. So, is this adding or subtracting? Yeah, well, you could do it both ways, but it sounds like subtracting because he lost some stuff, right? All right, I'm going to show you how you can solve it in a couple of different ways. All right, let's start with what we know he started with. He had 18. And he lost some at recess, so minus something, and now he has 6 left. So 18 points, took some away, and now he has 6. So we're really looking for this missing number. So how can we do that? Well, I could say 18 and count back until I get to 6. Could do that. So 18 and count backwards until I get to 6. So let's see. And a lot of kids, sometimes I'll see them on the number line, using the number line like this. And that's okay. That's using your resources. That's fine. So let's see. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Ooh, so that's 12. He lost 12 points. Ooh. Yeah, do you see what I did there? I started 18 and I counted back until I landed on 6 with my fingers. And that was 12 fingers. That's one way to do it. But you know Miss Zerbal doesn't like to subtract. I like to add. Yeah. And the way I could use adding is I could think 6 points that he has left plus something equals the 18 points that he had. And then I could try to figure out the missing part. So 6 points that he still has plus something will give us 18 points that he had to start with. So let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's 12. 16. 6 plus 12 is 18. So he must have lost 8. He must have lost 12. Okay. Now some of you are like, Miss Zerbal, all of that is okay, but I like just a standard equation because I can really do that really fast. Is that okay? Yeah, that's a strategy too. You could do 18, sorry. Got that 12 stuck in my head for some reason. 18 minus the 6 away, that's the part we know, right? Yeah, we do that in my class too. 6, and then I like to count to 18, that's 12. But let's just do subtracting. 8 minus 6 is 2, and 1 minus 0, pretend there's a 0 there, is 1. The answer is 12. That's super fast too. So that's just 3 different ways that you can solve that problem, okay? So which one did you use? Maybe use a different way. Yeah, but think about the story, think about what it's asking you, and try to solve it. All right, erase it speedy quick if you're working on a whiteboard. And we're gonna flip the page here and talk about Tyler. It says Tyler has 14 baseball cards and Jacob has 8. So how many more does Tyler have than Jacob? That's a tricky one. All right, Tyler, I'm going to put T for Tyler, has how many? Yeah, he has 14. And how many does Jacob have? Yeah, he has 8. We'll put J for Jacob. He has 8. Tyler definitely has more, right? We're trying to figure out how many more. We call this a comparison because you're trying to see what the difference is between the two boys or the two people, the two numbers, okay? So when I think of difference, I think of subtraction, but we can do it lots of different ways, okay? So how should we start? So Tyler has 14 and Jacob has 8. He definitely has more, so we're trying to figure out how much more. So I could start with the 8 that Jacob has, and she's just keep counting to see how many extras Tyler has. What do you think? See, because look, if we think about it like this, like a bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then Tyler has way more, right? And we're trying to figure out how much more. So if we start with the 8 and count to 14, we could find out the difference. We could find out the extra. Let's try it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 6 extra. Tyler has 6 extra, or 6 more than Jacob does. So how many more does Tyler have? He has 6 more. So that's one way to do it. What else could you do? Yeah, you could subtract the difference. You could take the difference away, the part away that you know. So let's see. Tyler has 14 and Jacob has 8. If you minus it, you could figure out the extra. Let's see, 8, and then count to 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's still 6. Yeah, 6 is the missing part. That's how many extra. Yeah. Or you can simply draw a picture if you want it. Let's see, Tyler, Jacob. And then you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And Tyler, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then see how many extras there are. So these were matched. I like to match them up because they were the same until 8. And then after 8, there was nothing else to match up. After 8 are the extra ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra ones. Tyler has 6 extra ones. Do you see how I matched them up? Here's Tyler's 8 and Jacob's 14. And I matched them all up until I got to 8. And then Tyler ran out. He didn't have any more. So these 6 extras are the 6 ones that Tyler has. He has 6 extra baseball cards. All right, erase it speedy quick if you're following along. And we'll do this problem here. It's about Zoe, my friend Zoe. I don't know if you can see it all the way. Ugh. There we go. We'll try. Oh, my phone's ringing. Oh, my goodness. Zoe's mom gave her $9. She had some money already saved. So she has 15 in all now. So how much money did she save? So let's see. Her mom gave her some. She had some that she saved. And then she had 15 altogether. So how much did she save? So we're trying to find that missing part. So Zoe's mom gave her $9. So let's make the 9. Right? And then she saved some money. And when we hear the word some, that's not an exact number, is it? It says that she saves some money. Some, when I hear that, it's just a question mark. So plus question mark that she saved equals, how many did she have altogether? $15 is what she has now to go shopping. So here's what's asking. $9 from her mom plus some money that she saved gave her 15 altogether. So we're trying to figure out how much she saved. There's a couple of ways to figure it out. How are you going to figure it out? Yeah, you could do that. You can put 9 in your brain and count to 15, and that'll give you that missing part. Let's try it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, 6. She must have saved $6 by herself, because 9 plus 6 would be that $15 that she now has. Good. Is there another way to figure it out? Well, she has $15, right? Minus the part we know about. We know her mom gave her 9, so we can minus that part away. And then if we figure out the difference, that must be the money she saved. That she saved by herself. So let's see, 15, and count back 9 spots. You know 9 plus something is 15? So 15, and count back 9 spots. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Ooh, she must have saved $6. Because 15 minus 9 is 6. Did you solve it in any other way? Okay, I want you to try to come up with your own ways. All right. Let me see if I have any other problems on here. Nope, I don't. All right. So I guess we're done for today. I hope you enjoyed our lesson. And remember, no matter what your strategy was, make sure you have somebody, your teacher or your parent, check your work and see if you are getting the correct answer. Okay? All right, and keep learning.